Hello, Russell here from Handy's Property Services. We are your South London refurbishment experts. Today, however, we are your multi-tool experts. We have made an amazing discovery that I want to share with you. Just quick video, because I figure anybody who does what we do, like sort of tradespeople who use a multi-tool all the time, your blades always go worn out very quickly. And we've discovered something, a way to put new teeth on your multi-tool. So we're calling it the multi-tool dentist. So I'm just going to show you how it works. I just bought this product. It's actually called the Sharkenator, which is an unusual name. I think it's because the shark has got big teeth, perhaps. I don't know. But anyway, what it does, it puts a new set of teeth on your multi-tool. So I'm just going to show you how it works because I'm so impressed with this. I just wanted to share it. By the way, we're not associated with the Sharkenator brand. We're not making money on this video. It literally is just because I love it. I just really like it. Absolutely. Well, let me show you the blade first. So we all know what this is like, don't we, when we get our blades that are so knackered. They don't even cut through anything. Actually, this one's not even too bad. It actually still has a little bit of teeth left on it. But, you know, sometimes you go back to just smooth metal, don't you? So anyway, I'm going to sharpen these teeth up, put it in the brackets. And this is our Sharkenator. As you can see, it just spins around and it sharpens the teeth. So any old combi drill, stick it in the drill. I'm just going to do that in the actual camera, be a good idea. Stick it in the drill, tighten it up. And you just spin it on the multi-tool. It's absolutely amazing. I was so impressed with this thing. Right, let me zoom in a bit more so you can see what I'm doing. Absolutely, this is going to save me so much money. Literally, teeth go, blade in the bin, buy another blade. Teeth go, blade in the bin, buy another blade. Now, we're going to be able to sharpen this blade 10 times or something before I have to throw it in the bin. So let me just, is that a good angle for you? Let me get a better angle. So all we do is literally that. Just get it nice and steady, put it on. Look at that. Let me try and take you off the stand and get you a close up. It's like it's been to the dentist. We've got a brand new set of teeth in 10 seconds. That'll do at least one more cut before I have to put a new set of teeth on it. But literally, you can go all the way. You can literally keep going and going and going. Anyway, so that's the Sharkenator. Put teeth on your multi-tool. The multi-tool blade dentist. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.